Assessing matters. A closer, look at oat flour. One of the primary goals in blood sugar supportive baking is reducing reliance on refined, rapidly absorbed flours. While oats are often viewed as a wholesome grain, the level of processing plays an important role in how they affect glucose response. Whole oat groats and steel-cut oats retain more of their natural fiber structure, which slows digestion. However, when oats are processed into rolled oats, and especially into oat flour, that structure is broken down. Grinding oats into flour increases surface area, allowing the body to convert the starch into glucose more rapidly during digestion. For individuals closely monitoring blood sugar, this can result in noticeable glucose elevations. For this reason, some people, myself included, choose to limit oat flour and instead rely more on higher protein or lower glycemic alternatives when baking. The goal isn't to eliminate all grains, but to reduce reliance on highly processed flour forms that may create sharper blood sugar responses. For more informative information to transform into a better health with great tasting food, go to substack.com.